In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send disappearing voice messages in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. However, first off, let me explain you what disappearing voice messages actually is. Disappearing messages or view once messages disappears from the chat after it is opened. For additional privacy, the recipient can share, forward, copy, save, or take a screenshot or screen recording of it. Now let me show you how we can easily send view once voice messages. First off, we need to open up WhatsApp and then enter a conversation. After that, we need to start recording a voice message as we usually do it. So I'm just gonna long press at that mic icon to start recording a message. Now, as you can see, the voice message is being recorded, and in any time while recording a message or after you've done that, you are able to tap at that icon here, and if we tap on it, it will say voice message set to view once. After that, we can tap at play to listen to that voice message, because after we send it we won't be able to do so. So I'm just gonna hit at play, and then if we are happy with the result, we can send that voice message to a conversation by hitting right here. After that, our recipient will be able to listen to that voice message once. As you can see, now I cannot play it because that is only for the recipient, and it will be available for listening just once. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.